Hello, welcome again to yet another video on YouTube channel. So today we are going to be looking at the best alternative for Forex investment. So if you want a complete passive income system, then this video is for you. A quick introduction: my name is Adnebeta Sanga. I am a Forex trader and the founder of A+ Trading Hub. So please, before we move to the next point, I want you to hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification on this channel. So with this, anytime I make a new video, you will be notified. Before we dive into the business of today, I want to know if you are a new trader, like if you are new to trading. So if you are new to trading, just comment below, I am new to trading, right? If you are new to trading, just comment below, I am new to trading right now. And also, if you are already trading, I would love to know what markets you are trading. So if you are trading cryptocurrencies, you are trading indices, you are trading Forex, you are trading stocks, you are trading commodities, just type in. Maybe if you are trading Forex, just say Forex. If you are trading crypto, say crypto. Just comment below. Now, this is actually going to help me fine-tune the kind of content I give out to you. Alright, so please do that below. Do that. Just type a quick comment. If you are new to trading, just type I'm new to trading. If you are already trading and you trade crypto, just say crypto trading, Forex trading, stocks trading, just that. So let's dive in. So first of all, let's discuss Forex investments the old way. So the first one is account management. You all know account management, how it works, but for the sake of those that don't know, all right, let me just explain. So the way account management works is that you create you create an account with a broker, then give out your login, your MT4 or maybe MT5 login details to a trader to trade for you. Alright, so at least this one is a bit transparent, but you don't have total control of the risks you get. You cannot set the risk parameters and say, okay, this is what I want to lose if things actually goes bad. So that is account management. The next one is a palm account. This is more like a pool money trading, right? So many people bring in funds, then put it inside one trading account and trading is done. The third way of the old Forex investments is trading signals. This has been there for ages now. So mostly you get people join Telegram channels or WhatsApp groups. You know, they receive trading signals via these groups, maybe on WhatsApp, Telegram, some on Facebook, and they trade manually. So this is actually the old way of Forex investment. Now let's look at the new way. The new way is copy trading. That is the new way. I know you'll be wondering, why am I saying copy trading is the new way to Forex investment? Well, make sure you stay to the end of this video, because I'm going to take time to let you understand why I say copy trading is the new way to Forex investment. In fact, it is the best alternative when it comes to Forex investment. So if you are just hearing the word copy trading, right? Copy trading enables individuals in the financial markets to automatically owned and managed by professional traders. It is also known as social trading. So copy trading allows you to directly copy the positions and trade taken by another trader. It is the easiest way to use another trader's expert knowledge. So by copying another trader, you could potentially make money based on their skills without in-depth knowledge of the financial market. The way copy trading works is by connecting your own trading account to a professional trader's account using a copy trading platform or app. So this is basically it about copy trading. Now let's dive in a little bit to why I am saying that copy trading is the best alternative for Forex investments. Before we look at the benefits, let's look at the risks. There are two major risks when it comes to copy trading. The first one is the market risk. Just like any trading in the financial market involves putting some of your capital at risk, the same thing with copy trading. So if you are going for copy trading, just know that there is risks involved, right? There is no investment without risks. Every investment comes with a risk. The second risk of copy trading is traders' track record. Now, choosing a long-term reliable trader to copy can be difficult because some copy trading platform may give you an inaccurate trade history. So it is always up to you as an investor to do your homework to make sure you understand your chosen traders. Now, let's look at the benefits of copy trading. This is the game changer here when it comes to Forex investment. 1, it can be easily accessed. 2, you can start with a small amount. This is a game changer. I've seen some copy trading platforms, apps allow people copy strategy providers and manager with as low as 10 USD, $10. If you should convert that in naira to naira, you know it's relatively low. So the entry level is low. That is 2. 3, you can learn from profitable traders. Alright, so for example, if you are an intermediate trader or maybe not a novice, let me just say intermediate traders, you can actually learn from these profitable traders on the copy trading platform. The fourth benefit of copy trading is more free time. Everybody loves freedom. you that is watching this video, you love freedom. Sometimes you wake up and you just feel like you don't want to do anything, you just want to sleep and your money is working for you. Copy trading will give you that freedom you are looking for. So copy trading, more free time. 5, you are in control of your funds. This is also why I am saying copy trading is the best alternative. You are in control. Apart from that, your funds is inside your trading account. You can actually set the amount or the percentage you wish to risk. For example, you can say, okay, I'm risking only 10% of my funds. If things goes bad, I only lose 10%. With signals trading, you can't do that. With account management, you can't do that. With the pool account trading, with palm account, you can't do this. But with copy trading, you can do this. Also, there's transparency, right? You are actually seeing the trades taken on your account and you see your account growth in real time. You get, so there is transparency when it comes to copy trading. Also, you can diversify. Like you can copy more than one trader. You can copy more than one trader. Some apps or some copy trading platforms, they call them strategy providers or strategy managers. Alright, you can copy more than one. So that is diversification. You can see a trader, this one is trading stocks, you copy. You see this other one, this one is trading currencies, you copy. You see this other one is trading cryptos, you copy. Then you allocate the risks. So that is diversifying. So when you do this, the chances of you losing your funds is actually small. I hope you understand what I'm saying here. So these are the core benefits of copy trading, and this is why I say copy trading is the best alternative for Forex investment. You may be asking, what markets are most suitable for copy trading? You can do copy trading with crypto, with Forex, with commodities, with stocks. I've not actually seen copy trading with indices yet, like synthetic. I've not seen yet. I've seen with stocks, I've seen with Forex, like currencies, I've seen with cryptocurrencies too. Who can copy trade? For me, I will say copy trading is suitable for novice traders and investors aiming to diversify their portfolio. So if you're already profitable, if you're a profitable trader, I don't actually see any need for you to copy another strategy provider. Just focus on your thing and improve, you get. But if you're a total newbie, you're a novice trader, you just want to learn the ropes, or you are just an investor, then I recommend copy trading for you. Now, this is how you can easily start copy trading. So to start copy trading, 1, you need to register with a regulated and trusted, keyword, regulated and trusted broker. Don't fall for scams. Alright, maybe in another video I'm going to talk more about how you can know a regulated and a trusted broker to use for copy trading. So for how to start copy trading: 1, register an account with a regulated and trusted broker. 2, choose a strategy provider who best matches your investment goal. 3, decide on your investment amount and fund your trading accounts. 4, start copying the strategy. It is all automated, right? Though there's still manual copying, but if you want a complete passive income, then don't do manual copy. Go for automated copy. Then 5, accept losses if it happens and cash out when you're in profit. Now, some people will paint copy trading as if you won't make any losses. I am here to always tell you the truth. I'm a bearer of truth. So there's losses too, but you can control the losses. That is the beauty of copy trading, alright? So that is it. If you found this video helpful, kindly like the video, comment, and also share this video. Before you close this video, if you would love to discover how to print daily alerts from the Forex market without giving your money to anyone to invest or paying for expensive signals or bots, then I have a link below this video for you. So just check the description below this video, tap on it, and you get more details on this. So that is it for this video. I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also hit the notification bell.